There's been a lot of talk about cybersecurity insurance. That's a product that has changed a lot in the last 5 years in particular, especially since COVID. Coincidental with COVID, the amount of cybersecurity breaches that have occurred across all industries really has just exploded. And therefore the insurance companies who have written cybersecurity insurance policies have struggled, frankly. They've lost a good bit of money on these contracts because they weren't priced appropriately to the risk. So as you can imagine, what that has meant is a couple things. Prices have gone up and it's become more difficult to qualify. So how can we help you with that process? How do you figure out how to self-assess in terms of your cybersecurity readiness? And we've come up with a process really to help hit on the high points that really all insurance companies are looking for and that are paying attention to when it comes to deciding if they want to cover you at all, and then if they do, how much they want to charge. And they're very straightforward. They line up very well with what would be general, good cybersecurity hygiene, if you will. A variety of assessments you can use. We'll stick with sort of the basics kind of from a zero trust perspective. And that would be taking a look at your users and your devices, seeing if you've got the right protocols and processes in place for protecting those, looking at your network, and then looking at your policies. Again, that's not really anything different than you would do in an ordinary cybersecurity review, or if you had a consultant come in. But we can do that kind of at a lower level than sort of a full-blown cybersecurity assessment, and help you put together a package that you could put in front of an insurance company and give you a much better chance both to either qualify if you're a new insurance customer, or try to maybe fight a large premium increase by being able to demonstrate to them that your cybersecurity policies and your posture internally are up to snuff.